Hi guys, good evening. How you guys doing? Happy weekend, good morning, good afternoon, depending where you are watching us from. I have an assignment to do, and the assignment is very difficult for me to do it. So I'm going to be begging hubby, today he's free at work to help me to do some kind of things, okay? Say husband and wife teaching, I know how they be now. So more than no minus. Anyhow, I go dey try my best small, no be my own language. I go dey learn am small, man, no laugh me o. Anyoya, come help me.
Okay.
So for here now, I'm going to be turning the camera to face it down so that you guys will see what we are doing. Okay, I don't know much, but the little I know, I appreciate God for that because not be my language. So I've tried to do the ones I do. So I want him to help me to finish the rest. Okay, and if you share for your Facebook. So we are going to start. Okay, let me remove the camera here so you guys can see it very well what we are doing. Okay, so I'm going to face the camera down and then let's start. So this one already, I'm doing assignments. It's Italian language. I'm learning small. I don't know all. Okay, so if you know, you can teach your husband, you can teach your wife. See, my husband not normally be at home, so I've tried the one I can do. Now you want to help me to finish the rest. Okay, so join us guys, let's go there. Okay, honey, let's start. This is the one I've done. I have done this one. I don't know if you guys will be seeing it where this is my phone. I have done this one by myself. All those ones I have done by myself. Okay, so all this one too I've done by myself, but from here he's teaching me. So here we remain. I'll finish from this place. Okay guys, so let's go there. Let me remove filter so that it will be very clearly and clearly. Okay guys, let's go there. Okay, filter is out so that you guys can be seeing it clear. Help me. Oh yeah.
Talk to me.
So for this one now, they say partire. Partire is verb avere. They say mio cognato.
Cognato.
What is the meaning of cognato?
Cognato means maybe your in-law.
Okay, mio cognato dopodomani. Mio cognato dopodomani. So verb capire now, I will write.
It's not capire.
So partire, ire, I will write mio partite.
No.
What will I write here?
Talk again. We will first try.
Partito.
No. Not third personal destiny.
Partita.
No.
Oh God. Tu parto.
Two.
No, io parto. Tu parti. Lui, lei parta.
It's
Parti.
It's ire.
Ire.
Ire. What did I tell you about ire and are?
He said ire and are. I-C-H-E-S. Ishe. Patisce. Nari ishe.
Io.
Pati.
Io.
Parte. Pato.
Tu.
Pati.
Lei, lui.
Patite. Patat.
Io.
Pato.
So go like that. Not the add, not the join.
Okay.
Io.
Pato.
Tu.
Parte. Pata.
Tu.
Pati.
Lei, lui.
Parte.
Yes.
Okay, parte. So I will put here parte. Pa. Okay. This one is say preferire tu il rosso or a blue. Do you like it in blue or yellow, Abi, or what? He said tu il rosso or blue. That's preferire. Now the same thing with this one. But who is he referring for? Io preferito. Io preferito. Because it's me, Abi. Okay. I will put.
What he talk there?
He say prefere tu a rosso or a blue, but I don't understand this verb. Prefere.
Let me see. No, preferire.
Verb preferire na.
Preferire. Not prefare.
Preferire. Okay, verb preferire. What's now go come? Okay, io preferisco. Io preferisco. Tu preferisci. Lui, lei preferisco. No, sorry, no, they laugh now. See my husband, they laugh me. On it termina. Okay, io preferisco. Tu preferisci.
Tu preferisci.
Preferisci. Lui, lei
No, look.
Preferisce.
No bice.
Isce.
Preferisce. Yes.
Okay. So I will write P. I will write P R E F. I go come write E.
R.
E R.
No, not write E.
R. Waiting again.
I.
S. C. E. Okay, preferisci. Now this one, this verb again, rusciare. Io non.
No. Talk the word well. Let me see.
Ruscire. Ruscire. What is the meaning of ruscire?
Riuscire.
Riuscire.
Let me watch him.
Io non capire tutto le.
Non riesco.
Ok, riesco. Riusco.
No, io non riesco a capire tutte le parole.
Ok, waiting I go come right.
No, that one. No, riesco.
Riesco.
Yes.
Riesco na I go put R. I go put I. U. S. I go come put I again, Abi. I go come put S. I go come put C. I go come put 0. Na him money. Riesco. Ok. It says sentire. Mio mamma non. Punto va bene. È un po' soda. Honey, what is soroda?
Yeah?
What is this soroda? Abbiano read down way. He said, sentire mio mamma non punto bene è un po' soda.
Soda. Adesso. Mia mamma non sente bene. È un po' soda. It's not well.
Okay.
Non sente bene. Quindi it's the third personal singular.
Then as na
So you go
io sento.
tu
Senti.
lei
Sente. Okay, sente. Okay, yeah, I go put sente. Sente na S I N T E. Abiani. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Scrivere. Butta vai. Quale carta? Non.
butta.
Okay,
You
so.
done well.
Butta, vai,
No, vai.
via, quale,
No,
quile.
no.
Oh. Butta, via, qui,
No be qui.
quilla,
No be qui.
quale,
E.
quiale.
Quella.
Ok. Butta, via, qualla,
Quella.
quilla,
No be quilla. Quella.
quella. Ok. Butta via
Quella.
quella carta.
Non.
Non a niente. Scrive na third conjugation.
Non serve.
Non
Oh, I don't talk. You. This is servire. Servire maybe you don't need.
Okay, verb servire. Now wetin I go come
You
talk?
say butta via.
That's to do what?
Tu.
To butta.
Butta via. Butta via quella carta. Okay, now we are talking about the carta here.
Yes.
So the carta non serve a niente.
Okay.
You don't need that.
Yeah.
So throw it. Butta via.
Okay. Okay. Wetin I go come put na
So,
be?
butta via quella carta non serve. Quindi devi scrivere S-E-R. Non serve. Non serve. Right hand.
Non serve.
Non serve.
Because na third person I be.
Yeah.
Okay, I go put S. I go put E. If I not do one tell me arrow. I go put V, E. V, E, abi. Okay. Il miele.
No, tocca more.
In mire.
No.
Il mi eri.
No.
Oh.
Talk on one. Add them together.
Mi eri.
No. Ere no there anywhere.
In mi er.
Me.
Okay. Imi.
No be me.
Mie.
Every Italian word is being pronounced, not even leaving a single word. We put everything together. Me. You must hear every word letter by letter. So me, 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 me.
Okay. Imie sochere. I get that.
You go put the I well.
Imie sochere. I.
Talk am again.
Imie sochere.
Talk am again.
Oh, I want eat. I don't tell you. Imie sochere.
Sochiri.
Imie sochere. Wetin be sochere?
It's the same thing now.
Okay.
Na in-law.
In-law. Okay. Imie. Let me put it down.
My in-laws.
In-law. In-laws. Okay, this one now means in-laws because I dey inside Abi. Okay, if I hear person say sorcery, that is my in-law. Okay. Okay. Then this one now. Okay, mio sorcery.
Imie sochiri.
Imie sorcery a trovarci.
Sochiri.
Okay, imie sorcery.
Father-in-laws. In-laws.
Okay, imie sorceries a trovarci a Luglio. So I go put myself, io venire, io veni.
Imie, you are talking about them.
Them, okay. Loro. Now I go put loro. because loro na many abi.
Venire.
Okay, i miei suoceri loro a trovarci luglio.
So what will you write? You go conjugate verbo venire. Io
vengo.
Tu.
Veni.
Lei, lui.
Ven.
Lei, lui.
Va.
Lei, lui.
Veni. Oh God, I forget.
No, look the book. No look.
Okay.
Io.
Veni.
Io.
Vengo.
Tu.
Veni.
Lei, lui.
Veni.
Ne. You go make the ne come. Noi.
Veniamo.
Voi.
Venite.
Loro.
Vengono.
Yes. So you go write vengono there because they are them.
And you see, they are laughing at me now. I'm not worried again.
Talking about in-laws, so you try to.
Okay, vengono na go put na. And if I know right and way, tell me spell.
Who they laugh you? Make I go watch it.
Go. Only I don't help me now. Vengono, how I go do? Vengono. I write down where any na tu any abi. Daddy, na tu any.
You see, mamma mia, io pensavo che italiano è difficile per me, però anche ci stai alcune persone stanno lo stesso difficoltà. Dai, mulare, sei brava, sì, grazie.
Okay, say I don't hear brava na good. Thank you. I don't have this one.
Sei bravissima.
That is vengono abi.
Sì.
I put any.
Vengono a trovarci. All'unico.
But double any good.
No.
How many any I go put?
One.
Okay, I cancel one. I go come put. I'll come put O for here be. Okay. So that is see this one again. He say complete. That is if I know right and well, you read and well. Tell me say completa le seguiti.
No. Completa.
Le
seguenti frasi.
Completa le seguenti frasi con un verbo al tempo presente. Verbo della I go still write to speak congratulations. Conjugazione. Thank you, my love. Okay, now andare. I know andare. Io vado. Tu vai. Lui, lei. Vada. Abi? Sorry. Io vado. Tu vai. Lui, lei va. Noi vadiamo. Voi. Noi vanno. Noi siamo. No, sorry. Noi andiamo. E loro. Voi. Andate. Loro vanno. Okay, let me start again. Io vado. Tu vai. Lui, lei va. Loro.
No.
Sorry. Noi andiamo.
Sì.
Voi andate.
Sì.
Loro andano. Vanno.
Quindi.
Ok, quello adesso. This one now is voi andate.
Sì. Voi quando andate a comprare il regalo per la mamma, sì.
Vai, andate, ok, andate here.
See, when we people go and buy the gift to your mother.
Okay, andate. and okay, I don't make mistake. Now any here be only help me and da I go put it here be. Thank you. Hey, I need okay, and there two only not teach me this one, make I do by myself. It say andare tu a che ora a dormire. Io vado, tu vai. Ok. Che ore vai a dormire, Abi?
Make I reply this person.
They talk. And I go feel do this one, I go try. Vado. Tu vai. Io vai. No vai. Okay, good night. Tu vado. Io vado, Abioni. Tu vai, Abi. Nandare. Na vai, Abi. Second.
What? Stop, make I see. I will write to the reply person.
Okay, I said andare na io vado. Tu vai. Okay, na vai, I go put here. Vai na VA, Abi. E. Di estate in generale la gente punto. Na so my teacher they say punto.
Yes.
Alle mare. If they are talking about
They can.
okay.
Make I reply person.
Okay. Oh God. Italian no is you. I go help person for this country. Andare di estate in generale. Only I don't know the one we go make me put this verb because he was not talking to anybody. He said di estate in generale la gente.
Come si? If they say la gente. Cosa vuol dire la gente?
Non lo so.
Non sai la gente.
People.
Yes, now. So what is he talking about? He's talking about more people.
That I go put vanno. Because na verb andare. Di estate in generale la gentile vanno.
La gente.
La gente vanno alla mare.
Al mare.
Vanno na vi.
Summertime, the people goes to at the water side, mare, sea, to bath.
But vanno na o.
Yes.
I write down way. Okay. I clean this one.
And try to reply people soon.
Okay. This one say perché la tua cugini vai. That's now na be vado vai ve.
You say what?
This one I don't understand. I say andare perché la tua.
No be là.
Okay, sorry. Perché le tua cugini vai. Andare.
No be vai.
No, I not say na vai.
No be vai. What is this? Talk and well.
Vien.
Look the word. I say Italian word is being pronounced. All. They know they remove one from it. You have to pronounce everything. So you keep your mind sharp. Pronounce the word one by one for your mouth first. Before you talk them.
Vien.
Yes.
Okay. So as na tua.
Le tue.
Cugini. Le tue cugini.
So what will you write there? He's talking about many people.
Veni.
It's talking about many people. Your cousins.
Vano.
Your cousins.
Many people. Many people means plural third. Then I go put this one. I put here vano. Okay. V A N N O.
When would your cousins go?
Perché le.
Okay, why? Why did your cousins go? You understand?
Yeah.
Why did they go away? Via.
Okay.
Why did they go?
Okay.
So he's asking a question. This is a question.
Okay. This one is saying.
First, I will not demand that. If you see this kind of thing, he's asking a question. That question mark is a demander. So he's asking you why.
Okay. Okay. He said mio padre mi porci soldi.
Talk on well.
He said mio padre mi porci soldi.
No be porci.
Puce.
No be pucci.
Which I go to.
I said that they pronounce the word 1, 1, 1. So you will come your mouth.
Chi.
If you see I-E,
Chi.
how do you call it?
Chi. Che.
No be che. They say they will pronounce everything, the word by word.
K.
If it's I, it's not E, so it's not K.
Okay. Help me, I don't know.
C-H-I is what?
Chi.
If I ring bell, what will you ask?
K.
K is E. This is I.
Ki.
Yes.
Ki.
So this one, as you see, say this is key. You go put the P-O. So what? Join them together.
Pocky.
Small. Pocky. Pocky soldi.
Okay. Mio padre mi pochi soldi.
So verbo dare. Io.
Da.
Io.
Da. Do.
Do.
Io do.
Tu.
Da. No. Di.
Tu.
Di.
Tu. Io do. Tu. Because it's dare. Io do. Tu.
Da.
Die.
Die. That's D-I-A.
D-A-I.
Okay.
Lei, lui.
Danno. Sorry. Die.
Io.
Do.
Tu.
Da.
Die.
Die.
Lei, lui.
Da. Okay. Then I go put D-A here. For this one. D-A. Now like this.
Mio padre mi dà pochi soldi. My father give me small money.
Okay. Okay. Now, I say la secretaria. La segreteria tutte le informazioni che servono. Secretaria means is talking to somebody. Is it knowing or secretary? Okay. That in this one now is what? Which one be the this thing inside the?
He's talking about the secretary. So
secretary, how go take
who is a secretary?
A secretary is somebody who
so
is.
Somebody, is it first personal, second personal, third?
Is third.
Yes, no. So you have to know what you put there.
So for this, that I go still put that here.
Yes, no.
Okay. Okay. Anywhere I see secretary, anything concerning verb where related to somebody, if not third, if not verb esere, I go put the second one. I go put the third one. Sorry.
Yes, if he's talking about secretary, he's talking about plumber, he's talking about anything. He's talking about nurse, talking about all kind of jobs. You will know that he's talking about somebody. So somebody is the third singular.
Okay.
So that third singular every day you check the third. If you are conjugating the word, you check the third.
Okay.
You
E se
understand? So-
per favore mi dà il tuo numero di telefono Nadabi.
He's talking about.
Mi dà me
He's talking
for
about you.
to give a number.
You.
Uh,
If me, I meet you now,
yes.
I'll say per favore. Because I'm talking to you, you are now the second. Because you, I'm talking about the second personal,
Yes.
singular. So you. Now I'm talking about. So if you are talking to me now, what will you say? If you want me to give you something.
I go say miss
Me.
miss
Io. Verbo dare. Io.
Io voler
No. Verbo dare. To give.
Okay.
Io.
Do
To.
dai.
Yes. So you go. I will tell you. Mi dai. Il tuo numero di telefono.
Okay,
Mi
that's
dai.
I go put dai is D I
No. Die.
like this.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Because if you, he's talking about. I meet you on road. If I want to tell you something, I meet you on road. I will meet you. I will say, per favore, mi dai, because I'm talking to you. If I'm talking about somebody, you understand? It's different, but I'm talking to you.
Okay.
Me and you. I be me, you be you.
Okay.
So me. Then I will concentrate on you. Who are you? You are the second personal singular. So it's die. Me die. It will numero di telephone.
Okay.
Give me your telephone number. Me die. So that is it.
So this one said lui non niente dorme tutte le giorni. This one nana verb fare. Io fa.
No.
Sorry.
Io.
Faro.
No be far.
Sorry, fa.
No be. If you want to talk, say if they do something, what you go do?
Io fatto.
No.
So
that one
io
is past tense.
okay. Io facciamo.
No.
We are doing something. Okay. Fa.
Ciao. Oni. Cosa stai facendo?
Io stai cucinare, no?
If I ask you that one, that means you go feel say stop facendo. But I'll ask you cosa fai. If I say only ciao, cosa stai facendo? You can say that stop facendo. That means if I'm putting you, but I go say cosa fai. Cosa fai oggi? Cosa fai the bell?
Okay, io faccio.
Yes.
Okay.
So you now you are talking about you yourself. So it's faccio. Tu.
Fai.
Lei, lui.
Fa.
Yes. So we want to tell you that. Read the rest now.
Lui non niente dorme tutto il giorno. So here I will put fa.
Yes.
But
The correct word for here, they will have to write lui non fa un caso.
Wait, caso conti set.
If they write yes,
But only lui okay na third this in a fa.
non fa un caso,
No,
no niente.
not teach me like that.
Because
Il bambini
if see you say lui non fa niente. Dorme tutti i giorni, Dio can. If you are not doing anything, you are sleeping every day. Tu non fa un caso, Lui non fa un cazzo.
No cause spoil my class.
You have to. No, it's the correct word.
It will want me my teacher for should be for class. He go say I go tell us this preference or two or five cars.
Yes.
You go say this girl don't color. Okay, honey, let's go. Il bambino merinda. Bambini. Babies, like that babies na
Where they?
Fano. This one.
You can check the
Il bambini, babies.
Facebook people.
No take, no do merinda.
No.
Then,
Okay, people are not.
Then they go, then they come. Leave them, maybe they do.
No, they check what that person don't write.
No, nobody write.
Something, so I go reply.
So, then.
What is the next this thing now?
The next thing is bambino. Then I go come read this one.
Not they read anything.
Okay, sorry.
What is it?
Il bambino merinda.
No be ale.
I bambini merinda. That is, I know merinda now. That food where then they eat before night. They are this thing.
Are you the cook now? That they have food. So talk now.
So now I go put them fan, abi, because na last because this one na I not say anything will be I na last this
Bambino, yes.
Yes. So fan na F A N O.
Bravo.
Thank you, Daddy. Hey, if I go class, I will call the happy. Okay, this one the same. This one another problem for verb.
No, you left with one for that place.
Okay, sorry. Per il mio lavoro in piedi tutto giorno. I'm standing on the leg every day in the work. So I go say stare, verb stato. You start.
Io?
Sto. Sto.
Per il mio lavoro sto in piedi tutti i giorni. Dio cane. Quale tipo di lavoro così? Sei carabiniere?
Fabbrica people they stack left for leg. So conoscere. It to know person abi.
No be conoscere. Conoscere.
Conoscere. That is to know person.
Yes.
Voi conosciamo. I know this one. No be.
No be knowing. You say voi.
Voi conoscete. Abi? Because na voi
Yes, no.
conoscete abi. Then I go put C O N O conosce. And I don't know how to do the conoscete.
What?
Come show me now, see. Conosce I abi E-T-E. E-T-E. This one no there. Io chiedo. Credo. Dio. In Dio. Credere. Io credo. Abi? Verbo credo. I go put credo.
What do you write for here?
Conoscete.
No be share. Sha.
Conosce. I. And it termina CH. S what? C. I. I-T-E, like this.
E-T. Conoscete.
Okay. This credo na wetin? Create. It don't happen.
This eu.
Kune
I'm very sure.
no na voy abi.
Yes, that place. Yeah, I think it's A. Letter A.
I'll do am.
It's conoscete.
Go. No. S go there abi.
No. See.
Sha. There. Okay. Done and dust. So chiedere. Chiedere is what?
Credere. To believe.
Chiedere.
Chiedere.
Then I go come put O for the credo. Because na me they talk.
What is the verb? Read it.
Oh. Credo.
No, you go read the sentence.
Io in Dio. Io credo in Dio.
What is the meaning? I believe in God.
They believe in God. Now he got a set exam for us. They don't believe any in God. Credo. Like this happen. Decidere.
To decide.
Lei decide.
Very good.
Okay. D-E-C-I-D-E. Like this. Lei decide tutto e il marito dice di sì.
You decide everything.
The husband tell him.
Said yes.
Mettere. Oggi io metto.
Metto la giacca pesante perché fa freddo.
Metto emo i aro.
No ardo.
Metto. Arata we emu ititi o. Metto. Nai.
No, only one.
Only one thing.
Metto. Not T, double T.
I do double T before. Don't spoil my book.
Mettere. It's double T. Io metto la giacca.
Okay, let me read this one. Piangere, crying.
To cry.
I know that one well because I like crying. Io piangere. Io piangi. Abi, io piangi.
Io. Talk and well.
Io piangi.
No be piangi. It's first person.
Io piangio.
No be Joe.
Okay.
Piango.
Okay, io piango. Okay, io piango. How then they write down?
Piango na. P-I-A-N-G-O.
I go to write for another place.
No, the pian.
I.
There.
Parent, I make mistakes. Sorry, no be what I suppose. Pinyangere. Renuka. There's third person for the third one. I don't know what you mean. Oh God.
If I see it.
He said Renucha. Perché la mamma ai guidate signita vina seguita. Oh God. Oh.
Perché la mamma what?
Scridata. Verb, that is verb piangere.
So if you are two, why you go? We don't talk am before.
No, I make mistake like I'm talking to myself. He say piango. Abi verb piangere. Verb.
You stop. This is a name.
Yeah.
That Renucha is a name. You understand? Yes, no. Because nothing here can be possible unless this is a name. That Renucha.
Yeah.
He's talking about he's crying.
Yeah.
Maybe the mother is scolded. That's Cridata or is scolded or so he is crying. So it's a third distance.
Pianja.
No.
Piangi.
No.
Oh. I don't know.
Yo.
Pianjo.
Yo. No be Joe. Yo. Piango.
Yo piango.
Tu.
Piangi.
Lei lui.
Piange.
Yes.
So I go put piange here. Piange. It remains small, we'll finish. This one, they say me, I pass and serve, they tell me, say, come faccio a vivere sei e lavoro. Prendere, come faccio a vivere sei in lavoro. This vivere is verb, Onyabi.
What?
This vivere is verb.
What? Where is it?
Prendere.
Which number?
E na here.
Perdere.
Perdere.
Na perdere, to lose.
Perdere.
Perdere, to lose something.
Okay, since they are not talking about anybody, wetin I go put?
Why they are not talking about somebody? Come faccio a vivere.
How do you lost?
He's talking about himself.
Okay, I go say come prendo.
Come faccio a vivere.
Verb prendere is prendo, abi?
Perdo.
Then I go put perdo here.
He said come faccio a vivere se perdo il lavoro.
Perdo.
How can I live if I lose my job?
Okay. Anche questo è insieme. This one are the same. Prendere. Io prendo. Abi? Prendere.
What's the word with that one? Prendere.
Io. What I go put here on? Prendo.
This one, we go do this one. We say come here again. So this is the prendere. This one. Now to take now.
So I go put prego.
Io
prego.
Prendere. Check the word well.
Io prendo. So.
Promettere.
Promettere. Now that one you want read. promettere il fidanzato di Katia, lei sempre di sposarla, però non lo fa mai.
How do you understand this?
Okay, let me read again. Il fidanzato di Kate.
What is fidanzato?
Fidanzato is fiancé.
Boyfriend, fiancé.
Okay, say fiancé of Kate. Le sempre di sposarla, però non la fa mai.
What do you mean about how do you understand? Even though you leave this promettere now, you say il fidanzato di Katia le sempre di sposarla, però non lo fa mai. So what do you understand about this one? If I want to tell you, promettere is promise. You understand? So he wants to tell you that the boyfriend of Kate used to promise her every time, say you go marry her by, they do her.
Okay.
You understand? So he's talking about the third personal singular. So the third, what will you write? Second, what will you write? The word is promettere.
Promette.
Promettere, to promise. So what will you write?
Promette.
Perfect.
Grazie. Oh God, thank you today. Don't help me. Okay. Olla ricevere tanti telefonati. That is say Olla they receive many calls. Abioni.
You say what?
Olga.
Where is it?
Yeah. Olga. Tanti telefonati.
So what will you write?
Olga riceve.
You receive more calls. Because Olga is a person. You understand? It's a name.
Yeah. Ridere lei.
No. Talk and word. Ridere, sempre tu ridi.
Ridere lei è elegia e ride sempre. Ride Abioni.
It's what?
Ride.
Con what? The last letter.
Sempre.
No, the last what? The last letter of that read what you tell me.
It's ride. Na singular this thing.
Third.
Okay. Ride. Thank God. So I'm going to read now.
They do. I come.
Okay, I'm coming. Il è una persona molto non lo sa sempre la cosa.
Read that well.
È una persona.
Chi è una persona?
Someone.
No. What? The right name there or the not right?
They no right nearly. They say è una persona
Okay.
molto noiosa.
Noiosa.
Noiosa means what? Somebody
No.
know. Sempre la cosa. As si tocca na, i con say ripetare. Ripetare means which person I go put. That is why they had me every time. And they had me. Sempre la cosa. Mai. Volta. Ripetare. But this thing, I don't know who is really talking to.
What is the lesson?
Maybe this one. This last one, I remember.
Ripetere.
Ripetere, because she was not.
No. He said è una persona molto noiosa. Boring. Sempre le cose. Ripetere. So he's talking about he or she because è una persona molto noiosa. Sempre.
Okay, as this E dey here, and I go use the term
Is. Lui.
is. That means I go put
Lui.
the-
Lei. So here is talking about somebody.
Okay.
Whether man or woman, nobody knows. Because you write, it's a person.
Okay.
It's a boring person. So repeat.
I go come put
To
repeat
repeat. So
because it was not referring to particular man or woman.
you do anyone where you know fit.
It- Rispondere l'avvocato non
Noise, boring,
mai al telefono.
everything.
I don't dey understand them.
That's small. You go pay me.
I go come kiss you, dey go sleep and come in.
Because today I don't go everywhere I'm supposed to. Very small, but what the man will do. Sharing is scared.
If I go school when they tell me to go and this problem go come out. So, spendere mio mangiare io e mio marito 400 euro.
Hey.
You just say these people no go tell them say they give us card 400 to do this space. They know how to go school and they go put up for paper.
Maybe common people don't tell you.
They don't tell them because many things they ask here, you get
What
TB.
is the lesson?
They say per mangiare io e mio marito 400 euro alle mese. That we eat 400 euro in the month. That money they give us for cover. These people don't put us for internet. As you say me and mio marito, I go put spend. Abi?
No, you and your destiny.
Okay, I go put spend. Na spend na only no be. Help me with the verb so that I go fit put am.
Ready.
He say per mangiare io e mio marito 400 euro al mese. Say they don't deal with your husband, they chop 400 euro in a month. So this one has the verb na spendo. Spendi. Spende. Verb spend is verb spendere. Yes, bio. Verb spend. Make a check. It's my. Oh, yeah. If I no do this thing today, I go class now. I go call the one. And nobody, the man know they even the my person said. I need to do it here.
You conjugate now. Io.
Spendo.
Tu.
Spendi.
Lei, lui.
Spende.
Noi.
Spendiamo. Ok. Spendo. Thank you, honey. I'm finished. Thank you, guys. So tomorrow, only reading. Now I go read so that I go fit cram out for my head.
Read one paragraph for here, make I see.
Yeah, this is the matter don't end. If you want find one, I go read for you. Take bullshit.
You can find.
Let me show my page tomorrow. We not tired. Italian language. Every day, reading. Hi guys, happy weekend. How you guys doing, my people? I hope everybody do okay.
This
Problematics, I don't let finish. They won't give me wahala now.
Read only this one. But it's a dialogue.
Only that one not too big.
No, you go try it.
Yeah. I go start there, finish here.
You start here.
Where I go start?
This one. So that make I see how you used to read. You go.
Okay. Buongiorno. Good morning.
Just the read.
Okay, man, no explain. Buongiorno. Vorrei un'informazione. Dovere spendere un pacco fuori dalla Italiana.
Start and make I see.
I think you don't hear now. Don't tell.
No, don't read that and read this one.
Buongiorno. Vorrei un'informazione. Doveri.
No.
Doveri.
No. I said put everything together.
Dovrei spendere un pacco fuori dalla Italiana. Non è molto grande. Vorrei sapere quali servizi offrono la posta. Le poste. E quali sono le tariffe. I try.
You try.
Ok. Then say per la spedizioni internazionali c'è posta Italia, un dai migliori.
Posta what?
C'è posta carire, celere, uno dalla migliore servizione che abbiamo la posta. La posta arriva velocemente, deve compilare un
Arriva what?
arriva velocemente,
Sì.
devo compilare, deve compilare.
Compilare is to
Buy something.
no
Okay.
to just if you the fast they give you book you just the feel to feel something.
Okay. Deve make I underline and so tomorrow I go put them for me. Deve compilare una credo non distinti.
Cedolini.
Uno cedoline poi spendere fino può spedire fino al 30 kg, abi?
Sì, 30
in poi di
kilogrammi.
in poi di
In più.
ok, wait. In più di 220 paesi. I prezzi cambiano. I prezzi cambiano da paese a paese e dipendano.
Read them. Read them one. Read them together so that I go. Now I say, I press cambiano.
When you know it, I go read small. You no go feel it like you. I go throw away this big and they read it.
Dio santo.
Poi più costa. Io devo spendere un pacco di 3 kg in Olanda. Per un pacco.
Calm down, no rush the reading.
Ok.
Calm down.
Ok. Per un pacco di 3.
No the rusher. Calm down.
Ok, per.
You never qualified to rush.
I don't suffer.
You are underground artist now.
Ok, waiting. Per un pacco di 3 chili.
3
kg. Punto. La tariffa è di 37 euro e 50 centesimi. 37 euro e 50 centesimi. That is 37 euro 50 cents. Ma c'è IVA. Cioè una. Oh. Choi.
No be choy, be China person.
Now you display everything for me. Okay, wait. Choi.
No be choy.
Now they talk about it.
I say choy. I say choy.
Okay, I call am now.
Choy.
Where are they safe?
Choy.
Okay. Choi una tassa di 7 euro e 80 centesimi. 88 centesimi. Quindi in tutto sono 45 €5 è 38 38 centesimi.
38. Non 38.
Ok.
38.
Ok. Cioè
38.
una tassa di €7 è 88 centesimi. Quindi in tutto sono €45 e 38 centesimi. Questi prezzi sono ultimi. Sono ultimi. Ok? Ci sono oggetti di valore nel pacco. Oggetti di oro d'oro o di arrangiato. D'argento. Esci, eccetera. Hai 10 per la escursione.
No.
La ascensione.
No. Put them together.
Oh, Jehovah.
Put them together.
L'ascrizione. L'assicurazione. No, non c'è sono. Non ci sono. Ci sono dei vestiti per mia sorella minore, ma vorrei asciugare ma non vorrei assicurare il pacco. Vorrei una altra informazione. Ok? In quanto tempo? That's what time I be. In quanto tempo arriva il pacco? When is your goods coming, Abi, or your this thing coming? Ok? He said, in 2 giorni lavorativi. Poi quello di spedizione grandi le ci sono dai di plante. Only help me, Naim.
Which one?
Dei plante. Con tutte le informazioni sulla posta celere. Grazie, arrivederci. Non c'è di che. Arrivederla.
Arrivederla, like arrivederci. That's when person is talking to somebody important. You understand?
You could say the person arrivederla. Arrivederla.
That means this is a conversation between user or person who want to buy something and a person who is working the employee, and that's the manager or somebody, a clerk who is working somewhere. It's a conversation. So the guy is trying to ask him questions about goods, when the thing is coming, when everything is coming. So in this conversation, you see usually the person is trying to talk about, he's trying to use the third personal listening to people.
Okay.
So you know, say this is not English. So he's trying to just show the people respect. In Italia, Whenever, say if you go to Kostura, you go to many places, they go say, for you to say, as you go to the doctor, the last time we went to that, our doctor, say he was talking about me. Now he say, lay. Kill a bolofa.
Yes, he use women.
Lay. So as you use the lay, me, I say, I was thinking about you. I thought it was you that the man is. Now I mentioned it. Now I said, no, lay. Now he pointing hand on me before I understand.
Now old man, now when he read their
all of them, they say, if you go there, they use the third for you. In Kostura, in places like that, you go to find interview of work, you go to hotel, you go to everywhere. They usually use lay as you. For them to say two, they go say lay. To show because
that is a woman.
It should not be woman. It's lay. Lay stand for both woman and man during conversation between bank manager and person want to go to go and open account. You understand? So usually these people used to work together like that. That's why he said arrivederla, but it's supposed to be arrivederci. But to be respect the person or the person you don't know anywhere where you want to show arrivederla. Now go tell her, you know we say arrivederci. So that is. So if you go anywhere, they say lay, and only you did there. Now you did they talk to.
Okay.
Lei, signora Iliasu. You don't, me and you do go many of you, they tell me like that now. You used to lay for me. Lei, signora Iliasu, see. Lei, Gladys, see. No, so,
okay, guys, thank you for watching. 12 done now, won't go sleep. I don't try for today. Now, so they do a moon. Now, me they do by myself, but today will be the weekend house weekend or weekend days. I say make it help me small. They teach me. I know say God go help us all. I wish you all the blessings, all of you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every weekend like this, we'll be learning small Italy, and we'll be still speaking. If you have a wife who know more than you, if you have a husband who know more, if you have a friend who know more than you, what are you waiting for? Learn. No language is waste. You can use it and work anywhere. At least in these lessons, if you watch this video, you go see where they make mistake. Go see where they try. But all is well. Okay, I thank all my new subscribers, and I thank the ones that are about to come. If you come across this video, if you get anything you need to correct us, we both are not perfect.
No, we are not. We are not Italians.
Yes, so you put your comment below. We will get back to you. We will reply you, okay? And also for YouTube too. If you see anything that we read or we don't understand, or anywhere where we put what is not correct, still correct us. We are not above mistakes, and we are not above.
Even them, if you that time that was 2016 when I was doing Tessa Media. The teacher used to make mistake anytime, but they're Italians.
Yes.
The language, anything you are learning, you are not perfect than anybody.
Yeah.
First of all, even though that time me and Michele they go work, if you tell it, I write everything. If you go, say if you enter technical, you have to fill it by yourself. The machine is there. You enter, you put your email, put everything. Do everything by yourself. So when they see me like black person, they will check the years I did here. And it's not too much like that, but they will see you are writing. So for them, because if they are learning English,
say when I go,
yes, but they can't write for them to speak. But if you are you write it.
They happy.
Yes.
Like when I go write this exam now, as I come back here, as I reach for the exam, if you see exam where they give us, I can't they laugh. Now drag a cat, go show cat, drag busi, go show busi. I just laugh. 5 minutes, I don't write everything. I go they sit down. The man, she say all of us pass. What you can't do, you can't bring grammar. like this is where he tell me to dey read now. He say make we dey read now. Then one Bangladesh boy come. They tell us say how many months. He say they here 1 month now. They tell us say but he don't understand Italy. Say yes, yes. They tell us say they understand English. He say yes. That the man called the laugh. The man say he go put her for 0 class, but he don't know anything now. You understand? He just want follow us do the exam. So guys, I won't go sleep. I have a lot to do before I sleep now. Today I'll be sleeping late. So hope you don't do your own now. You don't give me your own assignment now. Keep. I go try do one this night, because if I can't say tomorrow, oh, not today, I go do one this night. I go keep better, you know. I go keep on for them.
That time when we dey go, that time I dey hear, but I can't speak. So I was facing
this Italy. Everybody is not perfect.
Well.
Some they read.
That was 2016. But if they tell me, Leggy, you will say if I read them, the people who speak it, who were trying to speak that time, they couldn't read. But me, I was reading, but I was not speaking. So from there, now the woman tell me that you try, you write. It's good like that. Italian is to write. This and that. Now he give me that morale to go on more and to learn. But for our own now, it was Tessa Media. It's not Adu. So we do mathematics. The mathematics, you know me. The mathematics, everybody will know me. From my,
if not that one, you are 100% good. Mathematics.
I was the best mathematician for.
And I never know the SS. One where I'm good in you. So I'm happy I'm good in broken.
That one because Italian mathematics, only if they are doing a word problem or they are doing something, they will use Italian to write it. But it's the same equation if you watch it, whether without reading the lesson. If you watch the mathematical lesson, you see that you can solve it if you understand it. For where a word problem or something too much, you don't understand, the teacher will come and explain it to you. So the mathematics, I was leading English, say English, I don't know will agree you to enter.
My teacher tell me, say, for the other school, say, I want to enter English class. He say, you already know English. You don't have to read English.
No, they don't go allow you.
Now I call the law.
If you know the right hand or you know the speak.
Because we they speak English now, the teacher we know.
The teacher na broken.
Now once the guy boy they disturb.
They come, please, I beg you.
That boy go forget it. They go say, hey, my pagato. They go push. That's the guy small boy they disturb them. He say he won't go the class. He don't know English.
But your friend, if you have friends, they will push you to go there because the French people, they are very smart. They used to learn. So if they know that you are trying small, they will push you so that you and them will sit down together. They ask you, use you to play small by group. Did they learn?
Okay, now bye guys. More sleep. Your time don't go till tomorrow. Okay. Learn. No language is waste. At least if as you go enter flight now, reach Agege bread. Now if you drop. Maybe now we won't gossip somebody. Now we won't talk something. At least if I can't see one of my friend now for Nigeria now go who want us to go, they say, bonjour, no come style. Now not everybody go they look and say, see these people waiting they talk. Hey, that kind of language, it can sweet you. I go just change our words. Nobody go hear it so that they talk.
Very important.
It's just so funny, but it's good to learn. Try your best to. I know say many people go say, if mostly people where they talk to, if you dey camp, you don't know what God do for you to go to school. Hold them for neck like this. Let them train you. If you come out outside, it no easy you. I wish I know where my husband they go school. If I see my teacher, they run. I no once carry eye see that woman self. Not only my husband go. He finish. I do a go test media in paper. In result was excellent. But now. I can't use my own money. They go school.
Carry me go test media or I do it for now.
if you come our class, you see that they go pursue you.
They go pursue me.
You see, so that be the thing.
They don't go agree because unless I do myself like.
You don't know anything.
Yes.
But you must answer all the whole question.
No, if I like, if you stay cool, they talk. They don't go force you, and if they ask you a question, through it somehow. Like
if I dey write exam, I go carry you go there. You go fit write your own finish. You go put Gladys on top. Give me your paper. Make it go fair. They no go no say okay. NigerOK.com. No only on today. Bye bye guys. Make the video not too long. We love you guys. Bye.